United 11 versus Nityanand Sports Club.
I'm here for the toss ceremony and I have both the captains of the respective team. United 11, captain and Teg Bahadur, the captain of Nityanand Sports.
Head to mark. Head. Head to mark to spin.
So Milin is going to spin the coin and Teg is going to give a call.
Tail.
Tails, he says.
Head.
And heads it is.
I will bat first.
What is your take?
I would like to bat first.
Good wicket to bat, it's a part of wicket.
Yesterday I saw both the matches, so I think chasing will be quite difficult. So I would like to bat first.
You have got a good balanced side
Yes,
and good depth in the batting.
Yes, in the pre-promo also I said like that we have good balance side. So I would like to take maximum advantage of that.
All the best, Milin.
Thank you.
Dekho, you lost the toss and if you had to win the toss, you would have opted to bat first.
Yeah, we have to bat first because we know that the second chase is very difficult, but we will do it.
And same question goes to you. You have a good balanced side and good bowlers and good batters.
Yeah, we have good batting side also, and but better than we have good bowling side. So we will do that control around 100.
So what is the total that you're looking to restrict them and then chase the target?
I will restrict at below 100.
All the best for you. Looking quite confident and sounding as well. So that's the news from here. United 11 won the toss and they have decided to bat first. Well bowled, excellent line. Nicely worked and played, but played straight to the point field. Excellent fielding. This is turning out to be a good over, the very first over. There was an extra in the form of wide. Watchfully played and gets off the mark Pritesh Madgaonkar, and he opens an account for himself. So that brings the end of first over. Good looking shot. The very first ball of Pushpashil Desai was shown to the fence. Nice and straight down the ground to long off. First boundary coming up here for United 11. Angled it beautifully but finds the fielder. Excellent work diving and stopping what could have been a slow delivery. Nicely picked up once again straight to the fielder, and that brings the end of 3 overs 11 for no loss. Well bowled, and this time the timber is shaken and the bells are flying high up in the sky. That's the first breakthrough provided by Pushpashil Desai. And he says, got him. Beautifully done, and this time the ball finds the fence. And that brings the end of 4 overs. 16 for 1. Captain to depart of United 11. Watchfully played by Pritesh. New man joining in is Anant Mandrekar. Man in at number 3. 1 down batsman. Good looking shot, gets hold of this one, and this is the beauty of the power play. In the gap, the ball races away to the boundary. The timing was perfect, nicely picked up. Excellent shot, timed it to perfection. Shot of length, once again a swing of the delivery, but a little bit of change in the pace that deceived the batsman, and that brings the end of 5. Anant Mandrekar. Oh, this time the ball going piercing through. That should have been fielded, and the very first ball was shown to the fence by Anant Mandrekar. Big thanks to Goa Cricket Association for being associate partners to this beautiful tournament, Geno Prudent T20 tournament. Way outside the leg side, and this time the ball even missing the wicket keeper. Good dive though, but a little bit of a gloss on that leg by boundary. Wanted to hit it across. Good work from wicket keeper. Well bowled. It was right on the stumps and excellent work as well. Throwing backward but throwing straight in the glouses of the wicket keeper. Good thinking from Achit Sigwan to bring an end to the 7th over. Good looking shot, gets hold of this one. Well taken. Distance was a concern. An excellent catch with a good judgment from the field in the deep long on position. Nicely played, the ball was up in the air and catch has been put down by the fielder. Not allowing the batsman to open their arms and play freely. Some good looking shot even in the power play was just bowled that perfect line right from the first bowler, Teg Bahadur. And Pushpashil Desai doing the proceedings initially. Look at that, what a fantastic over comes to an end of 9, 38 for 2. Over. Tushar Sawant. In the 10th over, someone should take this, but who will be it? A long off fielder. He grabs the opportunity with both the hands. That's the end of Anand Mandrekar. Wanted to play, but miscued it completely. 38 for 3. Oh, nicely played away and excellent timing. The placement was brilliant and measured. Inside out, but unable to beat the short fielder. Quick work and excellently done. Yes, he's the says the square leg umpire, and he's out. Good work from the wicket keeper. Maybe admiring MS Dhoni. Good looking shot, gets hold of this one but finds the field in the deep mid wicket region. Protection there, so that will be just a single with that outstanding shot. Good backup as well. Good looking shot. Didn't quite get the timing right, but will get a single to take the score to 52. So 50 coming up in this over. 12 was gone. 52 for 4. Oh, right in the block hole. What a beautiful delivery. Absolutely a beauty from Dheeraj Yadav. Appeal, confident shot. The finger goes up. No need to hit the stumps. As Dheeraj Yadav has a strike. LBW. Leg before wicket. So Fateh continues. Excellent dive and saved 3 runs for his team. The ball would have gone all the way for a boundary for sure because there was no backup fielder. Well bowled. And the ball going, sneaking through right on the stumps. 6 wickets down. 59 for 6. Played away, but waiting is a call coming from Shivam Mapsekar, sending him back right on time. 62 for 6 after 14 overs. Hitting hard, but the ball is going hardly. Well done, underarm throw, but right on the stumps. And this is the partnership they were looking to break. Just maybe just 1 or 2 feet away from the crease, and the ball coming hitting right the stumps. Well done by the fielder. The good fielding is breaking this partnership. Oh, well done, well bowled, but nicely picked up. It was a slow delivery though from Sagar Gosavi. Look at that beauty, the slow one, and this time right on the money. Sagar Gosavi breaks the defense of Sakaram Nolkar. 8 wicket goes down of United 11. VK joining in and playing straight down the ground for looking to pick up 2. Nicely worked with the wrist. Just glanced it. And picked up 2. Shivam Apsekar. After 18 overs, 80 for 8. Good looking shot this time on the onside. And straight to long on. Could be a couple of runs. Easy picking ups here for Shivam Apsekar. Good looking shot this time, gets hold of this one. The ball is sailing huge, high, handsome, humongous, titanic, monumental. Good looking shot, nice and straight down the ground, in between long off and long on. The ball went rocketing. Good hit, but finds the fielder this time. That will be just a single, maybe two. They will take the risk. And that's a run out 97-98. Inside in, the ball will travel 100 up. In fact, 101 and 102 will be the target for Nityanand Sports to win this match in allotted 20 overs. That is 120 balls, which is less than run a ball requirement. Can United 11 defend their marginal total as umpire shouts, it's time and over.
Anglays, a complete sports shop. We have variety of sports material for all kind of sports and games. We also have trophies and sportswear. Visit us at Panji, Manik Mansion, Kunna Ribera Road. Call us on 0832 222 3119. Anglays since 1950.
उत्तम दर्जेदार किफायती और कस्टमाइज स्पोर्ट्स जर्सी, ट्रैक सूट्स, टी-शर्ट्स, स्पोर्ट्स शॉर्ट्स डिजिटल प्रिंट करून मेळपाचें एकमेव ठिकाण म्हळ्यार आकाश गारमेंट्स.
AG means comfort.
AG means comfort.
तुमच्या घरचे खंयचेय सण आसूं वा खंयचेय सेलिब्रेशन, सदांच याद दवरात राधात्मा फर्निचर. दिवाळे निमतान तरेतरेचे नवे फर्निचर उपलब्ध, आकर्षक डिस्काउंट, कांय थारावीक फर्निचराचेर अजाप करपी दर, खास आकर्षण 2 वर्षांचे वॉरंटी सहित सोफा सेट फक्त 19,500 रुपयांत. आयजूच येयात राधात्मा फर्निचर, वृंदावन हॉस्पिटला कडेन, पेडे, म्हापशां.
20 वर्षाच्या पारंपरिक यशस्वी वाटचाली वेल्यान आता आम्ही तुमच्या आशीर्वादान नव्या आधुनिक जगात प्रवेश करता. नवी सपना, नवी उमेद, नवी उर्बा आणि ताका साथ भांगरा हिऱ्यांची. जिवितातलो प्रत्येक उत्सव भांगरा हिऱ्यांनी सजून उमेदीन मनयात. फोंडा शहरात भांगरा जगतातले एक विश्वासाचे नाव रायकर ज्वेलर्साचे अवधूत रायकार तुमच्या सेवेक घेऊन येता एक भव्य दिव्य असो शोरूम अंतरा डायमंड्स अँड गोल्ड. आता तुमका नवे डिझाईन्स आणि क्वालिटी खातीर दुसऱ्या शहरात वचपाची गरज ना. अंतरा डायमंड्स अँड गोल्ड, शांताश्री बिल्डिंग, अपोजिट स्टेट बँक ऑफ इंडिया, सदर पोंडा, गोवा. तुमका सगळ्यांक येवकार.
This is good start from Sudhin Redkar into the bowling attack from the far end. 102 is the run chase target. Good looking shot right in the gap. The ball races away, and this is a fantastic timing. And the ball coming right out from the middle, sailing and racing away towards the boundary. A lofted shot gets hold of this one, and the ball coming right out from the middle of the bed. Gone the distance. Good looking shot, but straight to the field in the long on position. Oh, this time there was a shot of a land delivery. He just shuffled across and picked up beautifully. Once again, a good hit. The placement was brilliant. A slow delivery, watchfully played. Good pick up and shy on the stumps, misses it. Good backup. Excellent cricket to see. Oh, this time the ball is going upwards and someone should take this. Amar is in danger. Not anymore. Once again, giving caution to the wind. The ball is sailing, just falling short. One bounce over the ropes. Good drive, but straight to the fielder in the short covers. And that brings the end of 4 overs. Appeal, and the finger goes up this time. Sakaram getting LBW, a wicket and a breakthrough, breaking this partnership which was growing so well. And he's delighted, and so is the team. The dangerous looking Amar is out. Flashy shot just above the head of the fielder. The ball is racing away and will get to the boundary for sure. In the leg side, flicked beautifully. Just a wristy work, and look at that, the precision. The timing excellent from Sumiran. Oh, that's a huge wide, and the ball is even going through the wicket keeper. That will be wide and boundary, and yes, it is Pete Saab Alakatti. Thick edge, the ball running down deep third man region, finds the fielder. Good looking shot, nice and straight down the ground. Eyes on the ball and then playing his shot. Brilliant from Pope. 8 overs gone, 71 for 1. Will be there for this particular match. Beauty, lower full touch, just directing, taking the pace off. The ball races away backward of the square leg umpire. So 9 overs gone, 81 for 1. Bang! This time aerial. The ball is flying high up in the sky as if it's got the wings to fly. Oh boy, you beauty. You definitely doing the duty. Swing and a major dot ball to bring an end to the 10th over. Just angle the ball is racing away. Will it be stop or the ball will win the race? Good footwork. And that's the reason why I always tell that playing football helps in the game of cricket. Watchfully played for a single to take the score to 96 after the completion of 11. 96 for 1 as once again the umpire says over. Good looking shot but finds the fielder this time. What everyone expected that the ball will just sail away to the boundary, but make no mistake. Oh, nicely done. Absolutely beauty in the backward of the square leg. Once again the ball is racing away. Congratulations, Nityanand Sport, for a spectacular win. Easy victory for you guys and well played, United 11.
Siddhi Decorators. We create sweet memories forever. We are specialized in all decorations with cloth draping, flower decorations, artificial and natural flowers, Vidhi Mandap, balloon decorations, baby shower setup, thread ceremony, naming ceremony, everything in lights and sound, banquet setup, wedding packages, birthday packages to create sweet memories. Call Siddhi Decorators, proprietor Deepak Mandrekar, shop number 6 and 7, Siddesh Apartments, opposite Bank of Baroda, Giri. You can also contact us on 9422-640-532 or 9158185302 or 9158185302.
उत्तम दर्जेदार किफायती अशोक कस्टमाइज स्पोर्ट्स जर्सी ट्रॅक सूट टी शर्ट्स स्पोर्ट्स शॉर्ट्स डिजिटल प्रिंट करून मेळपाचें एकमेव ठिकाण म्हळ्यार आकाश गारमेंट्स.
AG means comfort.
AG means comfort.
Combine business with pleasure at the Crown Goa Hotel for joyous birthday celebrations, conferences, theme parties, and lots more. The popular hotspot Harbour Cafe, the 24-hour coffee shop, offers its signature midnight buffet. Rejuvenate and pamper your senses at Divine Spa. For reservations, call on 0832 240 0000.
Turi Design Events. We are specialized in corporate parties, wedding planning, birthday parties, and family get-together. Turi Azilos, specialized in handcrafted products. Azilos hand-painted tiles, nameplates, clay potteries, and crockery. Call us on 9764 529968 or 9822 155 409. Shed number D2/13, Bicholim Industrial Estate, Bicholim, Goa.
Wilji Motors, dealers for Vespa, Aprilia and Suzuki two-wheelers. Experience the latest bikes and the models like the Suzuki XS, Suzuki Gixxer, Vespa, Aprilia 150 and 150 Race. Booking also open for the upcoming Suzuki Intruder. For more information, contact 0832 22 33 905.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the presentation ceremony. My name is Rohit and you are watching Geno Prudent T20, which started yesterday, which will go on till the 17th of December, where the finals will happen, and we'll come to know who's the winner, who's the champion of the first edition. Ladies and gentlemen, with 101 score on the board, United 11, it would have been a very difficult task for them to defend. What happened was Nityanand Sports Club managed to clinch the entire scoreboard within 11.4 overs. Ladies and gentlemen, for the presentation party I have today, Team Prudent, represented by Eknath Shirodkar, advertising manager, to kindly come up on stage with me. I also request Pramod Acharya to kindly come up on stage, editor of Prudent Media. Well, I now request Milind Chodankar, captain of United 11, to kindly come up on stage and have a chat with us. Milind, 101 on the board. What happened?
Actually, I should congratulate the bowlers of Nityanand. They really maintained good line and length. That was the key point. We could not score much, and at the end of the day, we lost. At the end of the day, we could post only 102 runs on the scoreboard.
There was a little change while post 10-15 overs. You kind of managed to put a little score, decent score on that. But
and that is actually the thing is, all the players are from different part of the state, and we could not get much time to practice together. That was the reason why there was a reshuffle and here and there.
Okay. Thank you very much, Milind, for joining us. I now request the captain of the winning team, Sagar Gosavi, to kindly come up on stage, Nityanand Sports Club. Sagar, first of all, congratulations for winning the first match. How does it feel?
Yeah, it's nice to start on a winning note, especially when you are starting a tournament that after a long break, and this is the new season. So it's very nice to start with a winning note.
Okay, you've impressed, your team impressed by scoring the entire score run of the opposite team within almost half the overs, that is 11.4 ball.
Yeah, actually I'm very happy with the team's performance because all the lads, actually I've seen them playing, although we may not have played together in the same team, but I've seen them playing and I know somewhat they're strong and whatever the weakness is, so I just wanted to see how we can actually dominate on the field. So actually it was a bit of learning for us, for me actually.
Okay, Sagar, thank you very much for joining us. Congratulations for winning the first match and best of luck for the entire tournament. Thank you very much. Thank you. Well, ladies and gentlemen, now it's time for the man of the match. We'll get a beautiful Timex watch. I now request the person who scored 22 runs not out and 1 wicket, conceding 10 runs. Ladies and gentlemen, please give a huge round of applause and make some noise for Pushpashil Desai. Pushpashil gets a beautiful Timex watch. Pushpashil, you've impressed with the batting as well as with the bowl.
Yeah, actually everyone bowled very well and looks like a good team combination to play with, and we all know each other, so today it was our day. And also Sumiran played very well, and I'll congratulate Sumiran also.
Okay, thank you very much, Pushpashil. You've made a mark as well as the team has made a mark. It is a team to watch out for in the tournament. Thank you very much for joining us. Thank you, and best of luck for the entire tournament. Thanks.
Thank you.
Well, that's all from the presentation party. We'll get again here at the very beautiful Goa Cricket Association Academy grounds here at Porvorim. A lot of matches are due in the next couple of days, and as we come close to the finals, we'll get the best out of it. Today happened to be a one-sided match in the first half as well as the second half. But a lot of excitement happens here at the Geno Prudent T20, which started yesterday and will continue till the 17th of December. Thank you very much. That's all from me.